Hello, everyone. This is a story of seven ordinary women who had no business background and no significant educational qualifications, but were able to build a business empire worth rupees 1600 crores and spread over 69 branches and 42,000 employees. You all know the brand. Yes, I'm talking about the brand called Sri Mahila Griha Udyog Lijjat Papad. The most fascinating thing about them was they had this philosophy which is followed by organizations like Starbucks, Apple. So this starts in the year 1959 when India was still a underdeveloped country. Literacy was a luxury then, and only 8% women were literate. Furthermore, women were also not permitted to work outside their house, and families' earning were insufficient to maintain the decent standard of living. This is when seven amazing women with ordinary background got together to discuss about a business idea, and that didn't require them to leave their house and could still produce a competitive product. This is where Lijjat Papad came into existence. They began selling their papads at a local store, but due to superior quality and taste for the papads, other stores began purchasing them as well. That's when they started expanding. Now they needed more people. So when they had their first board meeting, they decided that their primary goal is not to earn money, but to empower women from country's poorest household and provide them with means of supporting their families. So instead of hiring women, they began to give them joint ownership in the organization, and they were referred as Lijjat sisters. Once they started, the second phase, which came where they had a solid supply chain that would be cost effective, ensure quality productions, and help every woman to uplift themselves. So instead of having large office spaces, they use their sisters' homes as small papad making units. This is how their supply chain looked. Their flour would be brought from a centralized location. This woman would go get that dough, and then they will make papad, dry it, and next day they will go and deliver it to the counter where they will get the money and also the dough for the next day. This is how it started. The best thing was, if any branch made a profit, then that was distributed to every member in that branch. And if any branch made a loss, then everybody had to contribute in the loss. They also ensured quality by having routine surprise check to see whether the oil that is used is proper, okay, whether there is proper hygiene maintained, and all these things they have been following. They have always stuck to their mission, core values, and vision. There are so many changes happening in the business today. A lot of automations are coming. Corporates don't think twice. They fire people left, right, center. But Lijjat Papad has always been in support of their members, and they ensure that nobody loses their job. In many places, we have seen vision mission statements, but nobody nearly knows what they stand for. So just displaying a vision mission will not help, because for 62 years, Lijjat Papad has been living their core values. So even today, after expanding 67 branches, employing more than 42,000 people, and exporting their product to 15 countries, they still adhere to their company's core philosophy, which is called as Sarvodaya. When we look at such kind of case studies in business, especially with women with no qualification, no financial support, and still making an empire from just an investment of 80 rupees. So this is what is a real paradigm shift that I think is in the business. So there is no business background, no wealthy investors. Despite this, they were able to create a business empire that is now empowering generations of women across the country. So friends, I'm sure you may have got inspiration from this video, and salute to all the 7 women who started this initiative, and today they are inspiring a lot of entrepreneurs to face any challenges, overcome those challenges, and achieve their goal in the life. So this is Sachin Kamath, your growth and productivity coach. I would like you to subscribe to my channel and also share this video with your friends. Thanks for watching. See you.